To hear the distortion I'm talking about, let's pull up the kick drum. I'll solo the outside kick mic. First, we can listen to it dry with no compression. Then we'll listen to the 76 compressor engaged. Listen to the transient and the decay, as we did before, but this time also listen for how the tone of the kick changes in the low, mid, and high frequencies. Through a combination of A, altering the shape of the waveform, and B, the resulting harmonics that arise from doing that, the compressed version sounds a bit tighter and a bit brighter.